Let's make a LeVeque family favorite. This is the kitchen sink muffin because it has everything but the kitchen sink. I'm also gonna get Sebastian involved. Any chance I can, I bring him into the kitchen to expose him to taste, smell, and flavors so that he has an open palate and gets excited about making himself his own food when he grows up. Bashi, are you ready? Yeah. You're gonna shred the zucchini and the carrot for me. We're gonna need about a cup of zucchini and a cup of shredded carrot. The carrot in next. High five. So I'm gonna pour it on a tea towel. We gotta remove all the water from the carrot and the zucchini so that the muffins are light and fluffy. All right, so we're gonna set this aside. Now we need to smash the banana with the half a cup of applesauce. So you wanna pour the applesauce in this bowl for me? All of it in there. Pop it in the bowl for me. Good. Now smash it. And we're gonna put all the shredded carrot and zucchini in there. 1 teaspoon of vanilla. You got it? I need to crack some eggs in there too. We'll do 2 tablespoons of maple syrup first.
Can I crack the eggs too?
You can crack the eggs. You want to crack the eggs? Now we're gonna add some nutmeg. Do you want to pour it in? Pour it in. Good. And that's cinnamon. Now we need to add coconut. Half a cup of coconut. And we're gonna add a cup of the almond flour. Now, take a handful of raisins and I'll take a handful of walnuts into the bowl. Awesome job. These muffins have everything but the kitchen sink in them. Zucchini, carrot, bananas, apples, coconut, walnuts, raisins, almond flour. They are loaded with goodness, blood sugar balancing, and the eggs load them with protein. So these are the perfect snack or breakfast for your kids and for yourself.